put on notice and announce with a heavy heart the demise of the wife of one of us, distinguished Senator Plang, Mgbeke Plang. And her name is Professor Janet Plang, the wife of distinguished Senator Plang. Professor Janet Plang was sick for a very long time. She gave up on the 6th of June 2025 at the Jos University Teaching Hospital. As I'm speaking now, the corpse is still at the mortuary, waiting for the burial arrangement. I must say, Mr. President, that the entire Plateau State is in a mourning mood, and so also the Senate, because his wife is the wife of one of us. So this notice is to inform the distinguished senators that burial arrangements are in progress, not yet announced, but also to appeal to the Senate to have a minute silence for this woman. She was a professor of repute, serving at the University of Jos, lecturing for so many periods. And as the senator will always say, the clerk, Mgbeke Plang will say, she had been his partner as a councillor, his partner as a member of the House of Assembly, partner as commissioner, now partner as a senator. May our gentle soul rest in peace. So I so move.
Is it the view of the Senate of observing a minute silence? Those in favor, please say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Can we stand to observe 1 minute silence? May the soul of the wife of one of our colleagues, Senator Mgbeke Plang, who died 2 days ago, rest in perfect peace.